نورونا في السعودية.
What's up guys, welcome to the vlog. So today is Thursday. It's already 3 in the afternoon here in Saudi Arabia. So we're going to the Riyadh Boulevard to witness the dancing fountain. This 5 p.m. It will start at 5 p.m. Then after that, around 9 or 10 p.m. they have the parade. Yeah, it said here that the parade is made of car parade, over 60 cars and 1,500 performers. Oh, so I think there's a like festivals or like a street dancing thing here. So my Saudi friend Mr. Fahad said to me that I will not tell to anybody that I'm working here in Saudi Arabia. So I will assume that I'm a tourist here in Saudi Arabia. Let's see how Saudis and people here in Saudi respond to it. If I will tell that I'm a tourist here in Saudi Arabia. So let's see. So I think it's 10 minutes before we got there to the area. So someone's calling. So I'll be back later guys. Hey, what's up guys? We're here now. I'm walking because it's traffic on this way already. So I'll just stop my Uber over there. So let's assume we're tourists here. So let's see. What's your name, sir?
Faisal.
Faisal and you?
Abdullah.
Okay, nice meeting you, sir. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
2 hours later.
Good. So guys, here is the event. So they have a parade here later. So it's really... Hi! You want to be in the video? Yeah, sure. Hi. Thank you. It's cool. They have lights here on every chair.
A few moments later. Few moments later. Hours later.
بقول لكم شيء وبوضوح، هالشيء كله ما كان بيصير لولا وجود قبل كل شيء توفيق الله سبحانه وتعالى، لكن لولا وجود شخص في مقام ورؤية سمو سيدي الأمير محمد بن سلمان. احنا بداك الله يحفظك ويحفظ قبل كل شيء مولاي خادم الحرمين الشريفين الملك سلمان بن عبد العزيز اللي عدى الرياض 60 سنة وأكثر. وفي الأخير أقول لكم ابتدينا وأهلا وسهلا بكم في موسم الرياض. شكرا لكم ونشوف أحلى وأحلى ببلدنا. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. رياض الفن والابداع تخيلتي وصيتك شاحية عبرتي في الخيال اقطاع. رياض الفن والابداع زرعنا فرحة رويناها بعسل.
guys is for the dancing fountain, but I will come here another day because I have something to do. So guys, I never thought this is Saudi Arabia. It's like New York style parade with big floats, international performers, and there's a lot of team from the PUBG, Lego. So I think I will end this vlog here. So I'm going into the Riyadh Park Mall, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, like and share this video to your friends. So take care guys, and so